How to download and install Kraken Pro app. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your phone and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Kraken Pro and look for the official app developed by Kraken. Next, tap on the Kraken Pro app from the search results. Make sure to review the app details, ratings, and user reviews to confirm that it's the legitimate version. Then tap the install button to begin downloading the app. The download and installation process will complete automatically in a few moments. Once the application is finished, open the Kraken Pro app from your home screen or app drawer. If you don't have an account yet, sign up by entering your email address, creating a secure password, and following the necessary verification steps to protect your account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing email and password. Finally, take a few minutes to explore the app's feature, settings, and trading options to personalize your experience. Now you know how to download and install Kraken Pro app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.